Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making Amritsari chicken fry. This is a chicken version of Amritsari fish fry recipe, which is a popular street food in Amritsar. So let's see how to do it. First, let's marinate the chicken with some salt, pepper and some ginger and garlic paste. Mix it really well and keep it aside for marination for around 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the batter for the chicken. Into a bowl, add some gram flour, salt, chili powder, some ajwain, now add some ginger and garlic paste, yogurt and 1 egg. Mix it nicely to make it into a thick, smooth batter. If you want, you can add some water as well. This is the perfect consistency we are looking for. Now drop in the marinated chicken into the batter and mix it nicely. Now let's heat some oil to fry the chicken pieces. Now take the chicken with the marination and drop them into the hot oil and fry it. You have to keep the heat from low to medium so that the chicken will also get cooked and you will get a nice brown golden shade on top. Flip the chicken in between and fry both the sides till it turns golden brown. Fry some curry leaves in the same oil, which will give a nice flavor for the chicken fries. Now let's serve the chicken with the fried curry leaves, onion rings and some lemon wedges. So pour the lemon juice on top of the fried chicken and have it. Easy and tasty chicken fry. Definitely try it out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.